So good morning everybody. I'm going to show you how to get this shoulder unit back in this box. Inside this box, there's two tools that are very important. We have one tool with the yellow handle. We have one tool that looks like a screwdriver. When we're going to disassemble this shoulder unit, the first thing you want to do is take the pad off so you can see the unit. In order to get this hand piece off, there's two things you can do, and I'm going to show you the easiest. You're going to unscrew this part of the splint. Make sure that everything gets in the box, and I'll show you that in a minute. So now this is off. Now you're going to take your screwdriver. There's two screws. We are going to loosen the screws. There's one under here as well on the other side. So you're going to loosen the screws. Now here's the trick. There's a lever that you're going to push up and slide this splint right out. Now the splint is disassembled. We are now going to go to the box. You're going to put your pad back on the splint. You're going to put your tool. There's cutouts. And now we're ready to go. We're going to grab the unit. We're going to put the unit in the box. We're going to take our strut here, our other part, and we are all set. And you are ready to return the Dynasplint. After you get the splint in the box, the white case has the paid postage on it. If you have any trouble, call Dynasplint.